I had fun being with her. I enjoyed having dinner with them. Who enjoyed being there the most? Did the girl you went with have a good time walking around there? What did he tell you that he enjoyed doing while he was there? Were you able to have fun swimming once the weather became warmer? I wonder if she had a good time talking to the kids at the school she used to go to. Did you find out if they enjoyed staying at his house that he has near the beach? Didn't most of them have a good time joking around with her? Where did they have a good time going out to dinner? Did you ask them if they had fun playing soccer there? All he enjoyed was relaxing next to the pool they had at their house. I couldn't help but have fun going out with my friends I went to school with. How come she didn't enjoy traveling with them? Did any of the kids you were with enjoy learning about it? I bet all of them had fun wrapping gifts for the kids going to the school. Did almost all of the girls who went have a good time visiting kids at the hospital? Did you tell him that you would enjoy working at the place they work? How often do they have fun doing that? Do you wish you had as much fun as them doing that? When was it that you had a good time talking with her? He must have had a good time staying with them during the summer.